What is holistic well-being? Welcome to this video, and here we are going to explore the path to be happier, healthier and live a more fulfilled life through holistic well-being. First of all, let me tell you about myself. I am Manikandan and I am passionate about helping young minds and bodies thrive emotionally, spiritually and physically. In today's fast-paced world, true success is about more than achievements. It's about feeling balanced and living as a whole. I'm sure you must have heard the term holistic well-being. Let me decode it and explain you what it means. Holistic well-being, in short, means focusing and being a complete person in your mind, body and soul. Because they are all interconnected, Many of times we think body is not connected to our soul, or mind is different, spirit is different. But trust me, they are all the same. They all are interconnected. An effect on one area can have an effect on the other. As youngsters, you face a lot of things today in life, be it academic pressure, social challenges, and you have your own personal goals. So a balanced approach is needed so that you are holistically balanced in all of these areas. Let me decode each of these areas in short so that you can understand more about it. Let's understand the three basic pillars that constitute for one to be, holistically successful. First, emotional aspect, the emotional well-being. What is emotional well-being? Emotional well-being is simply about understanding and managing and expressing your own emotions positively. Many a times in life, there are so many situations that we are thrown upon where we don't know what to do, or we are unable to react and respond to it. The best thing is to understand and balance your own emotions. How do you do that? Easy. Practice few things like mindfulness, which is staying in the present. Build emotional resilience through journaling, affirmations or gratitude, having positive relationships. All this helps. And more importantly, if you feel that you don't still get emotionally balanced, seek help. There are a lot of ways in which you can seek help and then improve your emotional well-being. The second aspect to it, that is spiritual well-being. To be holistically successful, you also need to have the spiritual balance, which is what? It isn't about any religion or any particular myth or God. Spiritual well-being is simply about connecting to your own inner self and finding your purpose, to understand why are you truly born, what is that you want to achieve in life. And this is a very important aspect of being spiritually aligned. What is the ways to do that? Easy. Spend time with the nature, connect to your true self by meditation, by activities like every day remembering or recollecting as to why are you born, what do you want to do. Through certain practices, you can also become a spiritually aligned person and understand and become balanced in spiritual well-being. But the last but not the least is the physical aspect, your physical well-being, which constitutes the third pillar of being holistically successful. Physical well-being is about, taking care of yourself, taking care of your body. And by taking care of physical what do I mean? It's about exercising every day, having a healthy food diet, having good sleep. These are all very critical elements that is important for you to be physically well as well. So why does this matter? Why does holistic successful being matters? That's one important thing you need to understand today. Because it improves your focus and productivity in whatever thing you want to do in life. Be it in academics, be it in your relationships, be it in any aspect that you are looking to achieve. Being holistically successful helps you improve your focus and be productive. It gives you long-term happiness and fulfillment. So let's say when you're emotionally weak or spiritually weak or in a physically weak situation, it is impossible that you focus and you go and you achieve the goals or things that you are setting towards. It creates a imbalance there. As a result, you feel that something is missing in life, or you're not happy, you're not fulfilled. So it is very important that you are holistically successful and you're holistically balanced. So take a moment to think about how balanced are you at this moment in your mind, body and soul. Because these three key aspects are very important for one to be balanced. Think about it at this point of time. If you have to give a rating, let's say in the rating of 1 to 5, what is your balance level in terms of being physically well, in terms of you being spiritually well, in terms of you being emotionally well? And that's why I say one needs to be emotionally, spiritually and physically fit so that you can lead a happy and fulfilled life. As an youngster, if this resonates with you and you want to know more, stay tuned to more of my videos, stay connected and click on the below link. In the description, I've given a WhatsApp group, my community, where you can join, where you can learn and you can get more such messages that can help you to become holistically successful. But just remember this, your well-being is your greatest asset. Invest in it, nurture it and watch yourself grow. Thank you.